Basta naman yung preparation is
Okay naman yung preparation namin, naka 1 week. We started last Monday, so a little more than a week na yung practice namin. Nagbalikan na yung most of the players. We're looking at least yung performance namin yung semifinals, so makaulit sana ulit ng semifinals, at the same time kung kaya pang mas malayo marating, syempre hindi gusto namin. We're looking forward to the draft. Tingnan natin kung merong materyales, kaya lang sa ngayon maaga pa, hindi pa natin alam kung sino yung papasok sa draft. But I think maihahabol natin si Luis Villegas. We've been waiting for him for a long time. Maybe this time mangyari na rin yung makapaglaro siya at 100%. So that's one of the things we're looking forward to. Yung injury ni Felix na hindi siya nakalaro nung last semis namin, maayos na rin siya. And then si Bo naman looks okay. Looks okay. He's practicing every day. So looking forward also to having him back.
Stanley ba nagpa-practice na?
Stanley darating siya first week of September.
Okay.
Hinintay niya lang manganak yung wife niya.
Okay.
And then they need about 10 days to secure papers for the baby para madala nila rito.
Kumusta yung pag-uusap mo so far with Stanley?
Okay naman, madali naman kausap si Stanley, no? So noong start kami nung negotiation sa kanya, hindi kami, I think nag-usap kami isang beses na. Planchado na lahat. So we did not really bicker about yung mga details. Madali lang, alam naman niya yung sitwasyon ng rain or shine. Alam din namin yung sitwasyon niya. So I think he just wants to play for a team that can contend and that can make use of his talent. So nagtugma naman yung mga expectations namin. Mabilis lang. So we're excited to have him back. First week of September, he'll be here.